I've searched the internet and I found this Mio dashcam. Built-in GPS, integrated Wi-Fi, low-light sensor. And the device itself is a matte finish screen, USB Type-C, jack, a card, speaker and couple of buttons. Is it going to work without the power source? No, it will not. But the power bank should do the job. There's the power bank. Welcome, alright. I think I've switched language to Polish, but that's okay. We do have files, Wi-Fi, sound recording, park, system and format. It's a really cool screen. And the most important will be the license plate. Are we going to see it? Oh yeah, there it is. A license plate is clearly visible. You can see the quality of that image is great. And we're going to see a passing car. Also visible license plate, and that's basically all you need. I think it's awesome. Another vehicle, another visible license plate. That's basically it. I think image quality is substantially good. Check out the signs. Everything is visible clearly. I like it. But what about nighttime? Have a look. All right, we do have a little reflections on the dash, but that's okay. I think it's decent. And now you know, Mio, inexpensive but great price to performance. Link in the description for you. See you next video.